Get your 3/8 inch ratchet. Right here by the tensioner, there's going to be a slot where you can stick it in. Lift up to release tension. Once tension is released, it's easiest to slide the belt off at the top right here. Let go of your tool, bring that down. Take your ratchet out of there, or whatever tool you used. And let's remove the belt, just to get things out of our way here. Now with the belt off, we can replace this idler pulley here. Get your 15mm socket on the bolt. Break it free. Now you can probably just take it off by hand. Okay, there it is. I have to take this little lock washer off so we can get the bolt out. To get that washer off, what you can do is lock some locking pliers onto it and then ratchet the bolt out. Okay, push the bolt through and it should come out. Now take your new pulley, drop the bolt in, and as annoying as it is, I will reuse this locking washer here for the bolt, only because it also acts as a spacer and a protective shield for that bearing in there. But what I did to make it easier to install is I took these little tabs here and I bent them up a little bit. Now you can just drop it right onto the bolt. So take your idler pulley and start it on to the threads. Let's make sure this is nice and snug. Perfect. Next, I want to put the belt back on, and I'll show you the diagram of it on the screen. It's not going to be very easy, but just because it's hard to reach places. Now when you put the belt on, you want to make sure that it goes into all these ribs here and it falls onto the pulley as it should. Over here it actually has to go up like this. I'm going to leave it off of this top idler pulley here because that's the last one that I want to put on with the tension removed off the belt. So I'm going to put it on everything else except for that top idler. Now get your 3/8 ratchet or serpentine belt tool. Take tension off the tensioner by pulling up on it and then slide it down underneath this idler at the top. Of course, make sure it's sitting on all the ribs. Let go of it and double check it on all the pulleys to make sure that it's properly seated, which it is. Of course, we'll check it after we run it for a few seconds, but if it's off, it'll just shred itself if you run it like that. Looks good.